How to turn on Incognito mode in Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch into different modes. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section called Incognito mode. So, simply tap on it, and as you can see, it has been enabled. So, if you go back, the mode is turned on. So, what does it do? Basically, all the searches that you do in this AI will completely be vanished after you log out or you directly quit the app. So Incognito mode doesn't save any of your data, but if you want to save it later, you can simply turn it off and it's all normal. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.